Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 8th question in exercise 4.5. The sum of three numbers is 20. If we multiply the first number by 2 and the second number to the result and subtract the third number, we get 23. By adding second and third numbers to 3 times the first number, we get 46. Represent algebraically and solve. So it's a word problem. First, we're going to convert it into equations. Then we're going to solve through Cramer's rule. So let's write the application. So for that, I'm going to declare the variables I use. So I'm going to say x, y, and z are the three numbers that we are going to have. Okay, so these are the representations for those variables. So the first statement is sum of the three numbers is 20. So algebraically, x plus y plus z is equal to 20. Now, if we multiply the first number by 2, so 2x, add the second number to the result, so plus y, subtract the third number, so minus z is equal to 23. Now for the last term, by adding second and third numbers to 3 times the first number. So 3 times the first number is 3x. Adding the second and the third numbers, we get 46. Now that we have represented the word problem algebraically, we can move on to solve these equations using Cramer's rule. So the first step is to calculate D. So let's write the determinant. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. So this is the value of the first determinant. Let's evaluate this. 1 into 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, plus 1 into 2 minus 3. So now let's evaluate. 2 into 1 is 2. This is 5 into minus 1, so minus 5. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into plus 1, so it's minus 1. So this is going to be equal to minus 4. Let's note the value of D separately is equal to minus 4. Now let's evaluate dx. The first column is going to be 20, then 23, 46. The second column is 1, 1, 1. The third is 1 minus 1, 1. Now let's evaluate. So this is 20 into 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 into 23 minus of minus is plus 46. Then plus 1 into 23 minus 46. So this is 2. So into 20, this is 40 minus, this is going to be 23 plus 46. So that is going to be 69. 23 minus 46 is minus 23. So now we evaluate this. The value is going to be equal to minus 52. So let's note out the dx value. Dx is equal to minus 52. Now let's compute dy. Is going to be 1, 2 and 3, then 20, 23 and 46, 1 minus 1 and 1. So this is going to be 1 into 23 minus of minus 1 is plus, so this is going to be plus 46, minus 20 into 2 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, and then this is going to be plus 1 into 46 into 2, so that is 92, minus 23 into 3, it is 69. So if you evaluate, this is going to be 69 minus 100, and this is going to be plus 23. So on simplification, you get minus 8. So dy is equal to minus 8. Now let's evaluate dz. Z is going to be, the first column is 1, 2, 3. The second column is 1, 1, 1. The last column will be 20, 23 and 46. So if you evaluate, it is 1 into 46 minus 23 minus 1 into 46 into 2 is 92 minus 23 into 3 is 69 plus 20 into 2 minus 3. So if you simplify, this is 23 minus, this is 23 into minus 1, so minus 23. This is minus 1, so this is minus 20. So the final dz value is going to be equal to minus 20. Now let's evaluate x, y and z. x is equal to dx divided by d, so it is going to be minus 52 divided by minus 4, so x is equal to 13. Now y is equal to dy divided by d, which is going to be minus 8 by minus 4, so y is equal to 2. Now z is going to be equal to dz divided by d, which is minus 20 divided by minus 4, so it is equal to 5. So x is equal to 13, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 5 is a solution for this particular problem. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.